In the midst of a crisis, one animal shelter got inventive, hosting a Keep Your Pet Comby night. They said laughter was the best medicine, after all. Each pet owner took the stage, sharing their most hilarious pet misadventure. The crowd was in stitches as Mr. Jenkins recounted his poodle's attempt at baking, which resulted in flour-covered kitchen and a cake that even the ants avoided. The grand finale? Mrs. Flannery's parrot that accidentally live-streamed her shower singing opera on social media. The shelter raised enough funds to support pet families. And the parrot? Well, it received an offer for its own reality show, Feathers and Falsettos.